Hello, this is Shay Jackson with Hype Math. In today's second and third grade math video, we will be discussing the two-digit addition strategy, sketching. Remember, second and third graders, be somebody who makes everybody feel like a somebody. Are you struggling with some math problems, or is your student or child not being able to grasp or have challenges with some math concepts? I have good news for you. Helping Young People Excel in Math is offering online one-on-one tutoring for 2nd to 8th grade students. You can call or text 682-233-3087 for a free 30-minute consultation and assessment, or you can head to our website, hypemath.com, and fill out a contact form. Coming April 2021, we're super excited to offer a monthly subscription of the Hype Math and Reading Club for 2nd and 3rd graders. Pre-ordering will be available in March 2021. So let's go over an overview of all of the two-digit addition strategies. They are sketching, compensation, expanded place value form, and adding up in chunks. We have another video where we give a brief overview of each strategy. That link will be in the description box. So let's dive into sketching. Just to give a reminder from the previous video, sketching is where students use base 10 blocks to visually add two-digit numbers. So in our first example, our problem says, what is 45 plus 33? In sketching, we have our blue tens blocks and then red ones blocks. To sketch 45, we have 4 tens blocks and 5 ones blocks. Plus, we have 33. To sketch 33, we have 3 tens blocks and 3 ones blocks. Our next step is to add all of our tens blocks together. When we count them all together, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, because remember we have a 4 in the tens place for 45, and then 3, because there's a 3 in the tens place, 3 tens blocks. So 4 tens blocks plus 3 tens blocks is equal to 7 tens blocks. Now, our next step is to add the ones blocks. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When we total all of those together, we have 7 tens blocks. So we are going to have a 7 in our tens place for our place value, and 8 in the ones place value because we have 8 ones blocks. Our answer is 78. Let's move to our next example. What is the sum of 62 and 29? So first we know we're adding because our clue word is sum, which means to add. We are going to sketch 62, which means we have 6 tens blocks and 2 ones blocks. Plus, we are going to sketch 29. We have 2 tens blocks and 9 ones blocks. Our first step we're going to use is to add all of our tens blocks together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So right now we have 8 tens blocks. Now let's add our ones blocks. We have 2 for the number 62 plus we have 9 for 29. When we add those all together, we have 11 ones blocks. Now, since we have 11 ones blocks, that means in the 11, we need to separate it into 10 plus 1. Because we have that 10, that means we added on another tens blocks. So instead of having just 8, when we add one more, that is 9, and we are left with one ones block. So our answer is 91. We have 9 tens blocks plus we have one ones block. Let's look at our next example. For our word problem, it says, while on a wildlife safari tour, Tyson saw 23 elephants, 12 rhinos, and 34 monkeys. How many animals did Tyson see in all? We know that we need to add all of our animals together in order to see how many animals Tyson saw in all. First, we are going to sketch 23 elephants. That means we are going to have 2 tens blocks and 3 ones blocks. Plus, we have 12 rhinos. That is 1 tens block and 2 ones blocks. Sketching the monkeys, we have 34. That means 3 tens blocks and 4 ones blocks. Our steps to add will be first adding all of our tens blocks together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 10 blocks in total. Now let's add our ones blocks together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So our total altogether is 6 tens blocks and 9 ones blocks. Our answer is 69 because we put the 6 in the tens place value and 9 in the ones place value. Let's move to our next example. In our word problem, it says, in a pet store, Justina watched 42 bluefish and 18 striped fish swimming in the tank. How many fish were there all together? Our clue word that we need to add is all together. So let's sketch the bluefish first. Justina saw 42 bluefish. That means we are going to have 4 tens blocks and 2 ones blocks. There were 18 striped fish, so we have 1 tens block and 8 ones blocks. Our steps to add, we are going to first add our tens blocks. Adding them all together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, let's add our ones blocks together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 ones blocks. Well, because we have 10 ones blocks, we can change that into 1 tens block. So we are going to add that extra tens block with the 5 blocks we already have. So our total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 tens blocks, so our answer is equal to 60. And that is it for our review of sketching, our strategy of sketching 2-digit addition. Remember, if you need a little bit more help with math or just need someone to help you with challenging math concepts, Hype Math is here to help. This is Shay Jackson with Hype Math. I will talk to you later.